this is crazy. I don't know what is going on today, but what is this? Not the only one seeing this, is it?
They're not military drones. Why is it a classified briefing on the Capitol Hill?
I'd have to refer you to Congress on that. Again, sharing as much information as we can here. I don't have the briefing in front of me, so I can't tell you specifically, what aspects are classified or not. I can assure you, though, that again, we are sharing as much information as we can based on what we know.
Down and basically crashed in the backyard. Like that's like a couple of seconds after, I saw the big giant creature in front of me. The alien, whatever you guys want to call it. The alien demon, whatever you guys want to call it.
What do you believe it is?
A demon.
A demon?
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I don't know what it is, Only God knows what it was. But I'm thinking it's like something bad, not a good thing.
Was it moving? Was it doing?
Yes, it was moving. You could see like he was breathing, like he was like pissed off. Like he wanted to do something.
And he was looking at you and your brother?
He was looking at me, yeah.
Did he say anything?
Mm-mm. I remember he was growling like a dog, like he was growling.
When did it end?
As soon as I closed my eyes, I guess. I don't know. I think I was praying or something like that, and they just let me go. That's when I went inside, and I saw my dad. I mean, I saw it too.
It felt like it had a control of your body?
Oh yeah, I couldn't move. Yeah.
You were paralyzed at the sight of this thing.
Yeah, I couldn't move.
And you were looking at it for 30 or so seconds, and then all of a sudden it was gone?
Yeah. That was pretty creepy.
A lot of people think that that's just hard to believe.
That, like I said again, they can think whatever they want.
Exploring the Greys, Part 1, Origins and First Sightings. Did you know the first widely recognized alien abduction involved the mysterious gray aliens? Let's dive into their origins. The Greys, with their large heads and almond-shaped eyes, first became mainstream in 1961 with the abduction of Betty and Barney Hill. Driving home one night, the Hills reported seeing a bright light in the sky that followed them. They later recounted being taken aboard a spacecraft, where they were examined by small humanoid beings with gray skin and no hair. But here's the thing. Similar descriptions of gray aliens have appeared in ancient artwork, medieval texts, and even modern UFO encounters. This consistency across time and cultures has sparked endless debates. Could they be visitors from another planet, or are they something else entirely? Are these beings simply a creation of the human imagination, or could their repeated presence suggest something much more profound? In the next part, we'll uncover their physical traits and what they might tell us about their origin. Stay tuned.